Hi everyone, today we're going to replace a PlayStation HDMI port HDMI encoder chip basically. As you can see in the video, that's the encoder chip, and after the replacement of HDMI port, the picture came for a few seconds and then disappeared. So after researching, I found out that if you change the HDMI encoder chip, that will resolve the problem. So we have ordered a new chip and we're gonna replace this old chip on the board. So first I'm gonna apply some flux on the chip. And then I'm gonna heat it. These boards are designed to take a lot of heat, so it will take a while to actually take the chip off. So I'm just going to apply the heat all around the pins of the chip. And basically I'm just going to keep the nozzle away and just keep applying it. And it's like boards need preheating basically. So I'm just trying to heat the board. As you can see, I have knocked two of the capacitors from their place, so I'm just gonna try to align them back to their original place. So I'm gonna reheat the board, but I'm gonna try to level it before we do that. And there you go. Just the height adjustment on the that is brilliant. And there we go, I can see them now. And something sharper than that. Right, they are in place. So now what we're gonna do, use the iron while the board is hot. Actually, I'm gonna keep that hot for a bit. So I have the iron, guys. So I'm gonna basically, what I'm gonna do is reflow some solder on it. What's that like? indicator. Okay. Let's see if we can refill all these contacts. Okay. The more flux you have, the better finish you get with the contacts. Refill. So you get these contacts ready for the new chip like this. And basically we were getting a black screen when using the PlayStation after the HDMI port replacement. Redo this again. They look fine to me. And okay, what I'm gonna do is here now. I'm gonna give it a clean with alcohol, and we're gonna wipe it with a tissue. Blue tissue, and basically remove the excessive flux. I'm going to reapply again. This time I'm going to use a toothbrush to actually you can see the HDMI encoder chip has been replaced, and you can see the good contacts that have been made, and it looks really nice. I mean, I can't show you through the microscope because I haven't got the proper adapter and the camera for it. I'm just recording it on my phone, and so far so good. It looks alright. There you go. So let's see what happens. I'm gonna just close everything up and reassemble it, and let's take it from there. Hi everyone. Now the HDMI chip has been replaced, and the PS4 is not showing any sign of light. It's a complete blank screen, and sometimes you plug in the HDMI and it says mode not supported. So let's see how to fix that. Everyone, as I've shown you the PlayStation replacement of the HDMI port, and also I've shown you the chip, actually the chip replacement. I had already done the HDMI port replacement. So after that I had to change the HDMI encoder chip, and after that it wasn't showing the picture on the Samsung television. So we've got another television, Technica, and I have tried the PlayStation on that one, and straight away I got this screen to asking me to connect the USB DualShock controller. So I hope it helps everyone. So from here we're gonna change the resolution to the other one, so hopefully that should work. And the other television is HDMI ready, and this one is a bit latest than that, so I think it will solve the problem. Thanks for watching.